This is the new Easy Snap Seeker from VM Products, an innovative design that allows you to seek out the source in attics, drop-down ceilings, and tight spaces. Introducing VM's first push-lock design that offers a quick and safe release for an easier to open and close experience. Also featuring an innovative structure design that includes tiered walls around the station and top-to-bottom front ribs in the shape of a V, giving the station a durable structure. VM worked with scientists to identify ways to move the rodent into the box faster. The result is a cord-out opening with a larger entry point, allowing the rodent's head to be in the box while their feet are on the existing surface. Here, the rodent can see completely through to the other side of the box, giving them a sense of safety as they enter the station. Once in the station, the removable walls create a commitment wall to push the rodent's head to the trigger without interacting with the snap trap. The station is mounted with VM's innovative plug system, so the rodent cannot drag the trap away. The plug system also allows the trap to be removed and cleaned with ease. This is our Easy Set Indicator Tie, a heavy-duty two-color zip tie secured to an over-the-top kill bar. This allows you to safely engage the trap, keeping your fingers out of harm's way. Once engaged, the yellow zip tie is clearly visible from the outside, making it easy to know when your trap is still set. When the trap goes off, the yellow disappears into the box, giving you a fast and simple way to identify which traps have been tripped. Another innovative feature uses two slots on the bottom of the station that allows a technician to zip tie either vertically or horizontally to rodent runways, giving you the flexibility to meet any situation head-on. Two holes in the back of the station are for attaching U-bolts for use on fence lines. Another feature allowing you to seek out the source. The Easy Snap Seeker is 100% American-made with 100% recycled injection-molded plastic for a heavy-duty construction you can count on. That's the Easy Snap Seeker from VM Products, allowing you to seek out the source. Proven, reliable, durable.